my YouTube family? It's the X-Predator here, and big shout out to Brock's Performance. Those of you who saw my last walk around video, did some stuff, and I stand by these guys. So with that being said, purpose of this video, this is a little short. I am moving to the shorai lithium battery for Zeus. I noticed there was a size difference. Now, I should have checked. That's on me. But I can make it work. I'm going to make it work. It does fit rather. It's pretty good. And then the box came with the foam and all the other good stuff with it. So I'm working on that right now. So I am leaving the Autocraft battery. This is heavy. Yikes, this thing is heavy. If I had a scale, I'll put it on the scale, but for the sake of weight, that has to be like 5 pounds or more. I'm just saying for battery wise, because I was lifting that one and it feels like nothing, almost like 2-3 pounds, like super light. But that's going in Zeus, and I just want to vlog it for right now. And the inherent benefits of going with the lithium battery, you're reducing weight, and whole cranks and all that. What some folks don't understand is, like, with the regular acid batteries, they tend to they have to decharge, or it's like a slow decharge. And if it gets too cold, sometimes you might lose some. That's the extra padding that they provided in the box, and I could cut it to my liking. So, but yeah, this they tend to lose charge. And remember, in my cold startup video, I was having to come and turn on the bike every now and again, and with this, not so much so. But also a warning: these things don't take regular chargers. So you have to get the charger that shorai actually produces for the bike. I did experiment with the ballistic battery for a short while. I like that one, but for the price of this, I just went with the shorai, and I was good to go. But this is significantly heavier than the lithium, so I'll probably come back once it's installed. The terminal leads were kind of reversed, because I had, this is the negative and the positive, and on here it's the other way around. So I gotta kind of play around with it, and you could adjust the lead, so I did that over here. And I'll probably be doing the same with this, and getting that sucker in there. So that being said, just documenting this, and I want Zeus in all his potential, and just ease of access. Also, I possibly will be doing the BMC race filter cleaning tutorial. I want to make sure I'm doing that right, because I want to give a shout out to my boy Ken. He just picked up a ZX14, and he has that thing all apart and doing all his things with it. So he's measuring twice, cutting once. So shout out to you, Ken. I've been talking to him on Facebook, and which also, if you guys want to hook up on my Discord, I may be making that a members only thing, but you'd have access to me whenever, and I'll probably put proprietary content on there, just for you guys that will support. So let me get to this. I'll be back further in the progress. All right, further in the process, I had to use 2 of the pads supplied in the box. So far, it's like a snug fit. So the voltmeter is already registering, so this should be all right. So far so good. Let's keep rolling with it. Alrighty. So far so good. Gonna do the startup test. Alright. Both voltmeters are reading 13. Battery so far in. So let's get this thing closed up. Testing the electronics. Alright, so we're gonna turn on my lights. Okay. Okay, windscreen check. Alright. Turning on. Let's make sure all isn't working. I gotta fix the battery in my Okay, so far so good. All check. Yeah, I had to make sure I did that test first before I close up the bike. God forbid something went down. I had to go back and open everything up. You know, for those who work on 14s, know that the fairings, there are many layers to it. It's like peeling an onion. So, shorai battery going in that sucker. So, alright, that's the end of the video. So, now I have the shorai battery in the bike. Drop a little bit of weight. Every pound counts. You know, just making some changes and try to provide the content that you all deserve. And for that, the battery is a little bigger than I thought it was. Luckily, I got a snug fit. I had to adjust the harness, the leads a little bit to make it work. But other than that, fine. I actually prefer a tighter fit, so that, you know, it's not going to be shaking around like the ballistics battery that I had tested before, because it was just way too small. But yeah, make sure you get the right size for your bike so you don't have any issues. But I have an external voltmeter installed on the bike. Those who saw my quad lock install, I put that because I have 2 USB ports in there, so I can charge my Bluetooth or my cameras if need be. So it works out. Even though that they have the native one on the dash, I still wanted, you know, visibility on it. At night it looks cool. So make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm about to creep up on 25,000 subs. That's a big deal, and I do want to thank y'all for the support. I'm trying to get more active with posting as I'm in transition between you know, in career wise situations. I'm going to be giving y'all my all. So hopefully y'all enjoying the updates to the 360 videos and all that. Just wait for SmackDowns. I'm telling you, I got some cool things, like in terms of editing, purchasing software and all that. I'm gonna make it look like an action movie, you know. So with that, rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all later.